Hello, today I'm making a reblochon tartiflette. A combination of cheese, bacon and potatoes, how could it not be delicious? You can find the ingredients amounts in the video description below. Start by peeling waxy potatoes and cutting them into slices that are half a centimeter or a fifth of an inch thick. Cut the bacon into small pieces, making sure that they don't stick to each other too much. Chop the onions into small cubes. Then fry them with a couple tablespoons of oil for about 5 minutes. Add the bacon, and once it starts to brown, add the potato slices. Season with salt and pepper, but be conservative with the salt since the bacon is already quite salty. Optionally, you can add a few tablespoons of white wine. Mix everything to blend the flavors together. Cover with a lid and let it cook for 20 minutes or until the potatoes are almost done. Once cooked, distribute on a baking dish. Slice the cheese in half and place on top of the potatoes, hard side up. Then bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. There you go, the perfect comfort food for cheese and bacon lovers. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. There is a new one every week. Also let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.